Hey guys, please do check our other YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Asian Kids TV 31. youtube.com/Asian Kids TV 31. Thank you.
Baby Einstein, Neighborhood Friends Activity Jumper Special Edition. A must-have. Oh yeah, for baby Markslin. Oh yeah. What the? Hey! You surprised me! You surprised me, Maya! I didn't know that you are there. You surprised me. Maya girl. Surprise! Baby Einstein. Oh yeah.
I can see it from the reflection. Yeah.
5 adjustable height positions. Secure support seat provides more comfort and stability. Oh yeah. Nice. Huh? What is that sound? 12 activities. Hey, are you farting? Ah! I thought you were farting, Maya.
A fart gun.
That's the fart gun? Ew, the fart gun. The back of the box, Mami Rhea?
You can do it.
Maya is strong. The side, Maya, the side. Yeah,
Here?
there you go. Nice. The other side. Ooh, Maya is so strong.
Oh, man.
Nice. Alright, unboxing time. Hello, Mami Rhea. How are you today?
I know.
Alright.
I know to move mountains.
Yes, you are strong, Maya. A strong girl. A strong kid.
I can do this.
Yeah. Alright, unboxing and assembling time with Mami Rhea and Maya. Woohoo!
Okay.
Hulyan, are you playing Plants vs. Zombies again?
Yeah.
Why do you keep playing that game?
I guess it's fun, and
It's
this,
fun?
And this is the first time I start playing it again.
Oh, you mean you stopped for quite some time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then I started to play it again.
I see. Are you a zombie?
Yeah. I'm using the tank commander.
A tank commander zombie?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Oh man! Kill him! Take him down! Oh! Doubles! Oh, I'm safe. I just need that cover.
Whoa, careful.
Okay, let's keep going.
Wow.
Yeah!
Colorful parts.
Oh yeah!
Wow.
Yeah!
Very colorful.
Oh, what's this? What's your paper?
Instruction paper.
Take that.
Wow, nice. What's that, Maya?
Maybe you can see other things.
Okay.
Take this off. What's this chair? Chair looks like. What's this?
Nothing left inside the box?
I don't know. I think it's a
Alright.
nice soldier.
Rolling. Woo!
No, that is nice. And now what's this?
What is that?
The people.
A key? Cool.
Something around the ground.
Ooh, there's a mirror, Maya. You see it? Nice.
Maybe
What, Maya?
this is like a way to cardboard.
Yeah?
Your dress wound. Oh, look at that, the frog.
Yeah, Froggy.
Froggy, froggy. Oh, this looks like my dress.
Silly girl, Maya.
It's like for what's this to hold the chair for the nothing like this.
Alright, assembling time.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Assembling time, mommy. What's that? A sun?
yeah, fun.
Yeah, nice.
Mommy, take this off.
What, Maya?
Mom's slicing.
The sun is rising up. The sun is up. The sky is blue. It's beautiful. And so are you, dear Prudence. Let's come out and play. Look around and round. Look around and round and round. Look around. You like that song, Maya? By John Lennon?
That is Superman Duper Ducky.
Dear Prudence by John Lennon.
No, it's Super
The
Yucky.
Beatles.
Super Yucky.
What the?
It is Super Yucky.
What are you talking about, Hulyan?
Yeah, it's Super Yucky. I'm telling you, it's Super Yucky.
And now the sun is going down. Yeah.
That is the moon.
Yeah, where's the moon? Is there a moon?
And
No? No moon. It's okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Only sun. It's only sun.
Okay. Maya getting crazy. Alright. Colorful parts. Ooh, the boob. That is Mr. O.
It's sun rising.
Yeah.
Ah, come on.
What do you think, Rhea? Easy?
Well, yeah.
You can do it. You can do it. Alright. I will give you 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, go! just kidding. What is that, Maya?
Oh, trick I learned to make trick to the diaper.
A 360 spin?
Yeah, from that Jeep.
Oh. Yeah.
I know. To do that. Hey,
You know how to do 360?
yeah.
Cool.
No, I don't know how to make 360. It's like this. Hey,
Maya knows. Maya girl.
It's like real. Solar campus on solar campus.
Okay, update. Wow. Almost done, mommy? Alright.
Almost done now?
Alright.
Almost done.
What do you think, Maya?
Nice.
You like it? Nice,
I
huh?
hope it will be nicer when you put all the things.
Hey, I see a cat
Never. Oh.
and a puppy,
Yeah.
a dog.
Puppy and the dog.
Nice.
Where you put the sun? Maybe you put the sun like this and like this.
Okay, maybe.
And
We will find out.
you know what.
Mommy knows. Mommy knows. Let's wait for mommy.
You put like this.
Maybe.
Nah, I don't know.
I don't know either. What are you doing, mommy?
Putting batteries.
Oh, Maya is smart. The smart girl, Maya. Batteries for what?
For
For that thing to make sounds
I don't know.
and music?
I don't know what use like we have.
You don't know yet?
Yeah.
We-
Baby use it.
Baby music for sure.
I think so.
We will find out, Maya.
Baby.
Yeah.
But
It's for baby Marksland. Woohoo! Buchito, Buchito, Marlin.
Puchito, puchito. Where are puchito? Puchito, puchito.
Buchito, Buchito. Wow, nice. Nice music, Maya. Cool. Nice.
I love it.
Marlin will love it for sure. He will love it.
No. Here's a no.
Don't listen to Hulyan. He's a silly boy.
No, I am silly. I mean, I'm not silly.
You are silly.
Here's a big joke.
It's okay, Maya.
Sometimes I'm big and blue.
Okay. What, Maya?
A baby's a bird.
What is that?
Baby's a bird.
A bird? Let me see. Hold it. Just hold it. Yeah, that's a birdie. Does it fly? Yeah, it flies. It flies. Go make it fly, Maya. Whee! Tweet, 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 tweet.
Sun's rising.
The sun is rising up. Oh, yeah.
This is the sun.
What?
That's sun.
That's not a sun. It's a bird.
Look at this. Whee! Look at this. Whee! Look at this.
This one is cool.
And look at this.
Wait, Maya.
And then look at this.
What?
Has fire! That is high.
Yeah,
This looks like a tire.
a tire. But it's not a tire.
It looks like a tire because tire's black.
Yeah, that makes sense. Tires are black. Yeah.
Ours is black.
What, Mommy? Almost done?
Ours have some things, black things, and this is like a tire.
Okay.
Tire's like this.
Like those? Yeah. Yep.
So I got like tire.
Okay, update. Oh, yeah.
Unboxing day. Unboxing day.
Another unboxing day? Yeah.
That's crazy. This one is on the car. Got the tank commander.
Okay.
I'll use my jetpack once I get close to it.
Just a little bit more.
And on it is like that. Perfect.
Alright. Woohoo.
Ready.
Almost completely done. Oh, yeah.
Other thing is dancing.
It's dancing? Nice. Nice, Maya. Alright, kids. Alright, moms and dads. The jumper is fully assembled. Thanks to Mommy Rhea and Maya. Nice.
I don't hear it.
Alright, cool. It looks nice, Maya.
Yeah. Marcelo, welcome.
So yeah, there are 5 adjustable height positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the seat, you can rotate it, right, Rhea? You know what, to be honest, I think the baby will have a hard time spinning that seat. Huh? What? Is it more loose now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Excuse me, Maya. Excuse me.
Okay. Hello, baby Markslin. Wow, you have a lot of rashes on your face. Markslin, what happened to you? You have a lot of rashes on your cheeks. Both left and right. But it's okay. You still look handsome. Okay. Okay, Mami Rhea. Baby Markslin.
And wait, your feet, anak. Oh, fix it, anak. Fix Maya. Thank you, Ate Maya.
Here! Pochito!
Wow.
Nice, Markslin.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello. Hello, baby boy.
Hey, Pochito! Pochito, open! Hey, Pochito! Hey, Pochito!
You know what, Rhea?
What?
I think you should adjust the height position.
Da-da-da-da!
I think it's too low for Markslin.
Oh, no.
Maybe.
Or just leave it that way.
Here, it's
Okay, if you say so.
Oh, Pochito! It's this purple man. That's the
Markslin.
Pochito,
Anyway, folks, Markslin just woke up. Yeah, Markslin just woke up. Buchito? A buchi baby boy, Markslin.
Yeah.
Maya, I cannot see his face.
Oh, yes, there. Reverse walking. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, I just see a Buchito.
Markslin has a lot of rashes today, but it's okay.
It's Buchito.
He's still a handsome baby.
Hey,
Right, Markslin?
Baba.
Right, Maya?
Chicken. Hello. Buchito. Purple man right here.
Markslin, baby boy.
Yay, big up.
Markslin. Whee! Markslin, baby boy.
Let's sing.
Markslin. Whee!
Yay, Marcel, let's sing. Let's sing, Marcel.
Markslin, baby boy.
Marcel, let's sing. Yay. Singy, singy. You got sing. You got sing.
Hello, Markslin.
Marcel, right there. To see you, Daddy. Marcel, got sing. Marcel, got sing. Yay, Marcel, got sing. Marcel, got sing.
Rotate him, Rhea.
Oh, Marcel, baby.
Okay, Look at me.
Oh, he likes it.
Yeah, he likes it. There you go, Markslin. See? Press those buttons, Markslin. Can you adjust the volume, Rhea? Can you make it louder? Or that's it? Yeah, I think that's it, Rhea. Markslin! Whee!
You closed it, Mommy. Oh, no, your hat's fall down.
Hello, baby.
Split, square. El cuadrado, circle. El círculo, the sun. Red, rojo.
Rojo. Nice, Markslin.
Split,
Marcel, like that.
He likes it, yes.
Give me Loopy.
Try that.
Marcel, what? Just gonna him. Yeah, we're going to Puchito. Puchito, Puchito.
Press the buttons, Rhea.
There.
Nice. Markslin.
Okay, going first then.
Hello, Markslin. Hello.
Mark's getting bigger.
Yeah. He's not a tiny baby anymore.
Yeah, Mark is getting bigger.
He's getting bigger, yes.
Look at that, Mark's.
Markslin, a busy baby. Busy Markslin, look at him.
Giggle, giggle, baby. What are you going to do, Puchito? Hello, Puchito. What you doing today, Puchito?
It's a sun, Markslin.
Yeah.
He likes it.
It tastes like real sun. It tastes like real sun.
Yeah, but it's not real, Markslin.
My son thinks it's next to
It's just a toy.
My son thinks it's next to the sidewalk. Then where the sidewalk? He gets flavors.
Markslin having fun. Yeah.
Puchito, do you like it, Puchito? You like it?
Markslin, baby boy. Yeah, Rhea, I think you need to adjust the height. It's too low for Markslin.
It is.
Make it higher. Go on, adjust it.
Adjust it.
It's too low for him. There you go.
More.
And then the other side,
The other side.
or the other sides, 3 more sides.
The wheel on the bus, the Bucci boy. Name Marcin, the Bucci boy.
Markslin having fun. Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry, be up, chopper.
Hello.
The rashes will be gone.
What, Maya?
The rashes to be gone.
Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow he will have no more rashes. It comes and go, Maya. His rashes comes and go.
Oh. Marcin,
So, Rhea, did you adjust it? The height? Yeah, I think it's better now.
Marcin, sing.
You can adjust it more.
Marcin, sing.
But you know what? Yeah, just leave it that way.
Marcin, sing. You like it?
Can you make his right leg straight, Rhea?
You like it? Better?
He likes that spinning thing.
Let's move to this side.
He likes it. Now he's used to it. Right?
You like the sun.
He likes everything. He likes everything he see, Maya.
Potato. You like the potato? Oh, potato, do you like it?
He likes it. Markslin likes the jumper. He likes the jumper. Markslin, baby boy. Wait, Maya, I'm going to take a picture of him. Move, Rhea. Move, Maya. Okay, Markslin, look at me. Cheese! Yay! Cheese! There you go, Marlin, baby boy. Alright. Alright, he's used to it now. Nice, no, Marlin?
This is a rubber ducky. Look at this. You like Gopher King?
He's touching everything now. Marlin, baby boy. Handsome baby boy.
Baba, Buchito, baba, baba, baba. Oh, you touched my hair. I got the hair toy.
Well, alright. I'm going to sign off now. Mommy Rhea, Maya, Marlin, Hulyan, and I are going to see you on the next video. Alright, kids. Bye, Marlin. Say bye, Marlin. Alright, bye, Marlin. Alright, kids. Bye. Signing off. Babu. Ciao.
See everything, Mercer? You like it? It's a rubber ducky. Music. Your heart is it? Oh, music. You want rubber ducky. That's right. So hot from the sun, Mommy. So hot from the sun, the Mars is glowing. So hot, the Mars is glowing. Baba. 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 Oh. Ah!